Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make asparagus and mustard stir fry. For this recipe you would need half a pound of asparagus, 1 zucchini cut in Julian style, 1 red onion sliced, half a cup of cream, 1 clove garlic crushed, half a teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon honey, salt and pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Heat the wok until very hot, then add oil. Stir fry the onion over medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes or until tender. Stir in crushed garlic and cook for 1 minute. Then add asparagus and zucchini to the wok and stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes or until tender, being careful not to overcook the asparagus. Remove everything from the wok and then set it aside. In the same wok, combine the cream, mustard, and honey. Bring the mixture to boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes or until the mixture reduces and thickens slightly. If you would like to add, you can add salt and pepper to your taste. Mustard does give a strong flavor, so add according to your taste. Now, return the vegetables to the wok and mix well with the cream. When done, serve immediately. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.